right, so I want to do a quick room tour of my current room right now. Here's a little bit of an overview. Very simple, but I'm going to start from the front door. So front door, here's my closet. I already moved in here with a lot of stuff that's already been here, so I'm just kind of making it work. So the right of my closet's all storage, and then this is all of my things. Yeah, pretty much fits what I need. And then I have my shoes down here. I should probably keep them downstairs, but this is what it is for right now. So all good. Moving over to the right, this has been here. I don't have anything in here. I do have my hoodie and then a robe on here, my TV. Then I have these weights, an Amazon lamp, and then, oh my God, it's actually really pretty out. It's actually really pretty outside. I really enjoy the view. And then here to the right, we have my workstation. Pretty simple. I love it. The chair is really comfortable. And then another window right here. Again, super pretty outside. Moving over to the right, we have my bed. So I just have this really pretty quilt on here, pillow, nothing special, my bonnet, my water bottle, and then this soda I just started drinking, my 2 notebooks, fan and light remote, and then my MacBook Air. And then moving over to the right here, I just have this prayer rug, this bin, and then here I just have my laundry hamper. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Again, I love it in here. It's so pretty, especially during night too. But yeah, that's my room.